Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by shutting down and unplugging the computer. Do this now. Once powered off, wait 30 to 60 seconds so capacitors settle and ground yourself to avoid static damage. Next, remove the side panel to expose the drive bays. You need to identify the SATA SSD, following its slim 7 plus 15-pin connector and the separate SATA data cable. At this stage, you are ready for the first physical disconnection. Make sure you can reach both connectors without force. Once done with prep, unmount the drive in the operating system if the motherboard supports hot plug. Otherwise, confirm power is removed. You should press any SATA latch, pull the data cable straight out without rocking, then remove the power connector in the same steady motion. After cables are free, unscrew the SSD from its bracket or release the drive sled. Note that too. 5-inch SATA SSDs use screws while M.2 is a different form factor. Keep screws organized for reassembly. You finish by replacing the case panel, reconnecting power, and booting to BIOS or the operating system to confirm the SSD is no longer present. Store the removed drive in an anti-static bag and label it, keeping screws and brackets together. If the system still reports the drive, make sure to recheck cable seating and SATA port selection, confirm BIOS drive detection settings, and verify the power connector was fully disconnected. These checks resolve most recognition or boot order issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.